everyone, this video is the final part of the project. In this project, you will need two images. The first one is to present a stop fan, and the other one is to present a rounding fan. So back to ITS Designer. In Designer mode, it adopts what you see is what you get techniques, so the user can edit or customize the monitoring page easily. Next, go to the left-hand side of the menu bar. You can create a new monitoring page by clicking the New Page button. Once a new page is created, it will be shown in the Monitoring Page Management section, and you can see all the monitoring page in this section. You may right-click, open the context menu with options: Delete, Duplicate, Export. And the export means export the monitoring page to your local disk. A kind reminder, when you create a new page, it follows the naming pattern by creating sequential number. In addition, your page names may be different from mine in the video. Let's look at the bottom of the Monitoring Page Management section. You can see the Attribute Settings section here. You can change the attributes of a monitoring page and widgets here. And these buttons are category filters. It makes the job easier to find the attribute of widgets. Just let me show you how to use it. For example, if I would like to rename the page, I can select the Common tab and input the lowercase home in the name field, then hit enter. Further tip: if there are multiple pages, the page name home will be automatically become the first page showing up on the viewer mode as home page. Just let me show you. Let's change the background so make it differ from the other pages. Remove the color code, upload an image, and choose File, and select this one. By the way, there's a useful tool here. On the right side next to a search bar, you can see the color palette. It includes 3 colors. You can switch between those colors to see which one can make uploaded image look clearer. Okay, now press Ctrl and F3. You can see it became the home page, and the address shows \$ home. Press Ctrl plus F1 back to ITS Designer. Let's add the text widget. Go to menu bar, insert a text widget. It will be automatically generated on the top left side of the page. You can drag the text widget or scale it. You may also go to the Alt tab to change its width and height. I'm going to set it to a 100 x 100 box. Then select the Background tab. You can see the background color is RGBA. It stands for red, green, blue, alpha. The alpha parameters is a number between 0 and 1. 0 is fully transparent, and 1 means fully opaque. So we want it to be transparent, so set it to 0. Or you can simply delete the color code and it will be fully transparent. Next, go to the Text tab and clear the text. Just leave it to blank. Switch to the Background tab and click this button to open the image picker. Let's upload our fan's image to ITS. Click the Upload button and select Choose File button, and upload these 2 images. Once they are uploaded, close the pop-up window. Select the gray one and click OK button. Now, I would like to make this fan spin and stop through the change of attack 001 DO value. Just right-click on the widget. It will open a context menu. Select Dynamic Attributes. In the link label, select the tag we would like to link by clicking this button, and check the checkbox and click OK button. Further explanation: this step only makes the text widget link to the tag 001. If we want the fan spin or stop, we have to set rules or conditions. You can do more setting in Rule-0 to Rule-5 tabs. There will be a tutorial video about this feature in the future. Importantly, only linking to the tag can make the appearance of the widget change through the tag value. In order to make the fan spin, we use the green fan image as background image and make it spin when the tag 001 value is 1. Let's go to the Rule-0 label. Enter 1 in the Express field. Then go to the background image field. Click the button on the right side and select the green fan image. Click OK button. Down here, there's the Effect option and select Rotate. Once it's done, click the OK button. Alright, that's it. So when the DO value is 1, the fan will turn green and start spinning. If you want to clear the rules, just go to the Dynamic Attributes. Go to Rule-0 and delete the value in the Express field. When it is blank, it means that it will not apply any effect. Okay, let's undo that. However, you may wonder how it will look like when the DO value is 0. Because we did not set any rule for the value 0, the fan will keep the way we customized in attribute settings as default. Take this fan as example. I remove the text and background color and use the green fan image as background. When the tag value is 0, it will show this gray fan without any dynamic effect. To the end, I want to simply click the fan image and it will switch to the green spinning fan. To fulfill this function, firstly, go to the Effect tab in the Attribute Settings section. Secondly, in the Click Command field, we have to type toggle_tag space $curly braces T command. This command is to tell ITS that when we click the text widget, please switch the tag value. To further explain, toggle_tag is one of ITS built-in commands. It can switch the tag value from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0. In fact, ITS has useful commands to do a lot of functions. So you can check more details in our ITS command manual. I may not do further explanation in this video. Alright, we have completed the project. Go to the system bar and click Project and Run. Or you can simply press Ctrl plus F3 to run the project. Now open Mod RSim 2. You can click twice to switch the DO value to see what will happen. When the value is 0, the fan will be still. When it is 1, the fan will turn green and start to spin. Since we have set the toggle_tag command, you can also simply click the fan image to switch its status. So that's all for this video. Congratulations! Now you know how to build a simple monitoring project. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.